Okay, we got 2 corn microgreens growing here. Each one was seeded on November 8th. You can see that right there. They were moved from being under pressure to being released from pressure, but still in my dark germination room. Corn is actually never moved into the sunlight on November 12th. And even though it says November 17th for a harvest date there and there, today is November 24th. Happy Thanksgiving. Kind of ironic that I'm doing corn because, you know, corn was such a part of the whole history of Thanksgiving, at least how the white man puts it. But one of my restaurants likes the corn a little longer, and so I've been experimenting with how long I can go. That's the reason that we're 12 days in, and we've gone past the 17th. So the other thing that's different, both of these were no pre-soak, and I used a paper towel during the first phase. Again, no pre-soak, and then I covered it with a paper towel during the early phase. So that's how I'm keeping these moist during germination. I found it to be a lot easier on me. So, yeah. And then this last area right here, I either leave it blank, though in the last week I decided to start writing water there, or tea. And that's how I tell during my watering process whether I'm going to put in regular water or our compost tea, which in my microgreens I mix 5 to 1 because, well, when I put it in straight, it was actually too strong, and the microgreens died. The other thing to point out is during this whole first phase, the 11th through the 12th, on both of these, they are only getting water because, again, even at a 1 to 5 reduction, it was too much for the seeds. So that's basically the data. The thing that I'm wanting to show you, and there's already some pictures of this out there, is the growth of the roots on the 2 of these. I mean, just look at the difference there. That is huge. That one is the tea. Again, the tea has this slightly darker color, and the water is clear. And this one is the water, and you can see down under there, not nearly as much root growth as this one has over here. So that, along with flavor tastes that we've done with 7 or 8 chefs so far, my goal is to get at least 100 before I call it good. But of 7, we have 7. That's better than Dentyne Gum, 4 out of 5. We have 7 out of 7 chefs have blind taste tested the microgreens grown in tea as tasting better than the microgreens grown with just water. So that's one of the key differences, is the quality of the taste. I am getting a higher percentage of growth, but that's hard to show in a video. That's easier to show when I harvest and weigh. So just a little bit of something about Shan Tea, our compost tea, made with wastewater from our aquaponics system, as well as our microgreen process. Thank you so much for checking this out. Check out our store, links below, and you can pick up some of this stuff. We do ship it, and it is, quite honestly, amazing. I've seen huge growth here on the farm. So, thanks.